Hello guys! So, di-discuss natin ngayon kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng personal accident insurance for only 271.55 per year. So, ang mga kasama sa package is 100,000 accidental death and disablement, 100,000 total and permanent disability, 50,000 murder and assault, and 5,000 burial benefit. Kung gagawin nyo lang is pumunta kayo ng Play Store, i-download nyo lang yung Pulse. So, type nyo yung Pulse app ProLife UK and click nyo yung Redo Pulse. Okay? So, after that, pagkatapos nyong na-download, open nyo lang and then mag-sign in kayo kung wala pa kayong account. Pero since may account ako, mag-sign in lang ako. Yan. So, lagay nyo lang yung email and password. Okay. So, wait lang natin habang naglo-loading pa siya. Ayan. So, nag-reflect na siya. Kung nakikita nyo yung green na Pro Shop dun sa may left side, ayan, click nyo lang yung Pro Shop. After that, click nyo yung Pro Personal Accident. Click nyo yung Get Now. Okay, so wait lang natin habang nag-loading pa. So, napaka-afford nito guys. 271.55 lang. So, ayan. So, ilagay nyo lang yung mga scan na ID nyo and also yung mga needed na information dito. So, kailangan din ng nationality of customer, place of birth, lagay nyo lang ang mga yun. So, pagkatapos nyong nailagay na lahat, ayan, click nyo lang yung I have read and understood. Yan, yung nasa baba. Pero yung your policy contract will be available via My Policy in Pulse. Should you wish to get a hard copy, pwede nyo siyang i-check pero meron tayong additional fee for that. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto nyong kumuha ng hard copy. So, after nyo matik yung I have read, pwede nyo nang i-submit. Okay, so, wag nyo palang kalimutan yung referral code 700599459. Pero if ever may alam kayo na ibang referral code, you can just put also another referral code there. Okay? So, yep. Ayan. So, proceed na natin. Habang hinihintay natin siya. Ayan. Okay, so, ayan. Meron tayong payment method, debit and credit card. So, click nyo lang yung debit and credit card. Pero make sure guys na yung card na yun is nakapangalan mismo dun sa kukuha ng package na to. Ayan, so, saka nyo i-confirm. Okay. Ayan. At pili lang kayo. So, ang gagamitin ko dito is yung Mastercard. Loading pa siya. Ayan. So, ilagay ko lang yung card holder number, tapos yung card number ko, tapos yung mga information na kailangan. And after that, ayan, marireceive nyo na yung your policy is being issued. Ayan. Congratulations! Ganun lang siya, guys, kadali. So, 271 parang wala pang piso per day kasi good for 1 year to. So, if I were you, mag-avail na kayo kasi napakamura na nito. Ayun lang guys. So, after ninyong um, successful, may marireceive kayong email sa Gmail ninyo na niregister ninyo. Ayan. So, yan. Okay. So, yan na yung proof na na-issued na yung policy na kinuha ko, true, false. So, ayan. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Yan lang po lahat. And if ever may tanong kayo, please comment below. Thank you.